like to. What is it? Everyone, try this boat. Only two.
What is the meaning?
I don't understand.
You don't know. Hamid, what the meaning? What, like this?
Yes, yes.
You don't know like this?
Means I have both feelings.
No.
This means yo-yo.
It means this one, letter V.
This means yo-yo.
Letter V.
This means yo-yo. Winner, winner.
What is
Winner.
Letter
This
V.
means winner. Yeah.
What?
This is winner. It's yo-yo.
No, yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Shuhada, you don't know? This for peace. Peace. You don't know what's peace?
I know what
Oh,
it is.
that's peace. Ano daw ang meaning sa peace?
You know the full form of
What
Nepal?
country you want from?
India.
Indian. You.
Nepal. You know the meaning of Nepal?
Nepal. Yeah, what is the Nepal meaning like?
Neighbor in peace and love. N-E-P-E.
Never peace in love?
Neighbor in peace and love.
Neighbor?
In peace and love.
The same. Peace. Just put love. Kalas.
The full form of Nepal learners.
India, don't know. Don't know, Maki Malum? Maki Malum India? No, but India, Maki Malum like this.
Now he erase both. He still think that what is the meaning?
Surrender.
Ano yung akin eh?
Huh?
Ano yung akin?
I'll put this one in YouTube, huh?
Oh no.
I'll put it in YouTube.
We have to share up the audio.
Huh? What? What you said? What you said? What you asked? Ano yung sabi niya pa? Day off si ma'am? Anong sabi ni Sunil?
Mina.
Correct. One box more.
Hamid,
Okay kayo.
hindi pa kita tinanong kumusta. Kumusta ka?
Fast, how are you means? Kumusta ako.
Kumusta o? Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka pare?
Oh, kumusta ka pa rin?
Kumusta ka pare?
Ano sa'yo? Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Okay kayo.
Okay kayo.
Oh.
I am asking.
Oh.
Kumusta ka pare?
Okay kayo.
Okay. Belon no no.
You do know to speak Arabic?
No.
What? What? Only right?
Only right?
Wala.
Yeah, I wrote this.
You'll write from left or right.
I saw.
Right?
Marunong daw siyang magsulat, magbasa, pero di siya marunong magsalita ng Arabic.
This one is.
Right, Sunita.
Huh?
Sunita.
Sunida? This one is Sunil. This one.
Brian.
For me.
Brian.
No. From left to right or right to left.
Yeah. This one for me. Brian?
Biryani. Right biryani.
Brian.
Yeah, you know.
Ito daw yung spelling ng pangalan ko.
Okay.
Right cold American.
Ito sa baba. Ito sa baba, ikatatlo. Yan daw ang Brian. Brian.